There comes a point in every businessman's life when the business starts to feel boring. Not because it's failing, not because pangit yung negosyo mo or hindi para sa'yo yung negosyo mo, but because the chaos is gone. Wala nang rush, wala nang panic, wala nang survival mode, wala nang challenge. Why? Because it's the systems now. May proseso na. Decisions you've made over and over again. And this is where most business owners feel uncomfortable. They start thinking na maybe this is not for me anymore, nawala na yung passion ko, nawala na yung fire, nawala na yung spark, yung excitement ko sa negosyo ko, nawala na. Or maybe iniisip mo na I need something new. But boredom is not a red flag. Boredom is a sign of mastery. It means that you understand the game well enough. Kaya mo na siyang gawin ng nakapikit, kaya mo na siyang gawin ng tulog, kaya mo na siyang gawin ng no sweat. It no longer shocks you. And this is the stage where motivation fades and discipline starts to take over. Because motivation loves beginnings, but mastery, it builds in repetition. This is where, as business owner, you keep showing up kahit na wala ng excitement. Nothing to launch, nothing to prove, wala na. Boring na. But remember, real businesses are not built in exciting season. They are built in boring ones, where mastery deepens, where consistency compounds, and where systems quietly get stronger. Mas magaling ka na ngayon. Kung business owner ka, mas kaya mo nang isolve yung mga problema. If you are self-employed, if you are an advisor, mas kaya mo nang humarap sa kliyente ngayon. Mas may confidence ka na, mas kaya mo nang sagutin lahat ng tanong ng kliyente mo, lahat alam mo na, lahat kaya mo na. Kaya minsan, boring na. But if your business feels boring right now, don't escape it. You're not stuck. You are in mastery mode. And as business owners, this is the point where we need to press on and we need to show up. Not because it's exciting, but because boring is where long-term businesses and real legacies are made. Ikaw, gaano na ba katagal ang negosyo mo o gaano mo na katagal ginagawa ang pinagkakakitaan mo ngayon? Bored ka na din ba? If you are bored in your business and in what you do right now, congratulations, you are in mastery mode. Ikaw, gaano mo na katagal ginagawa ang ginagawa mong negosyo o trabaho ngayon? Comment mo naman sa comment section.